Welcome back to Kaka 101 channel in the quiet as before dawn. The emerges surrounded by mist where steel and sky dance almost sacredly. The unofficial Bentley Batur convertible concept for 2026 is a masterpiece of engineering and art that whispers ancient truths and future promises. It is more than just leather and metal. It is a poem written in carbon fiber, a reminder of human ambition and Bentley's storied story. Craftsmanship, like a symphony that unfolds its final crescendo in an unexpected key. Rethink what a grand tourer can be with this Batur convertible, inviting you to trace the seams of innovation where elegance pirouettes with audacity. Miners. Analyze the exterior design. An intoxicating union is concealed beneath the Batur convertible's chiseled silhouette of muscular geometry and flowing grace. The athletic haunches, sculpted as if by wind itself, convey hidden power even when things are still. A thin LED light strip wraps around the front fascia in a regular setting, and the signature matrix grille, which has been given a dark, chrome finish and is now reinterpreted, seems to inhale the horizon ahead. From the side, the elongated bonnet and sharply raked windshield recall Bentley's heritage, yet the floating she-pillar and frameless gull wing-inspired doors propel it into a completely new realm. The diffuser, which is subtly integrated in the rear, and an exercise in subtle opulence, the quad exhaust hints at performance without shouting. Interior design review. Step inside, and you traverse into a tactile wonderland where the cabin becomes a personal sanctuary. Diamond quilted leather, sourced from the finest European tanneries, envelops your senses, as ornamental open-pore woods swirl in custom marquetry patterns that are similar to flowing water. Bentley's first use of a completely digital arc display, which curves in front of the driver, blending seamlessly with polished nickel-trimmed analog air vents. Ambient lighting. Derived from a palette of 32 colors, and ebbs and flows like a living thing, fostering a mood that is both calming and energizing at the same time. Ergonomics meets poetry. Bentley's pursuit of artisanal perfection can be seen in every dial, button, and stitch. Examining the technical specifications, a truly cutting-edge powertrain lies beneath the surface, a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter redesigned to produce a staggering 750 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, the W12 engine. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive distributes power. System calibrated for both brisk cornering and tranquil cruising. Carbon ceramic brakes. Derived from endurance racing, offer deceleration that is nearly instantaneous. Adaptive air suspension, coupled to a torque vectoring differential, allows the Batur convertible to transition from silky comfort to athletic precision. By simply modifying the drive mode, Bentley's ethos is served by every mechanical component, combining supreme refinement with feral performance. Consumption of fuel on highways and in cities. Despite its prodigious output, Bentley engineers have coaxed respectable fuel efficiency from this gigantic machine. In urban conditions, stop-and-go traffic, short hops. Idling, the Batur convertible achieves approximately 10.5 liters per 100 kilometers, a number that defies its performance history. On the open road, where long, steady cruises let the engine's lean burn calibration shine and highway consumption rises to 7.2 liters. For every 100 kilometers, these numbers, while not eco-warrior territory, strike a balance between grand touring practicality and the heart-thumping exhilaration Bentley aficionados demand. Review of acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour. When you press the gas pedal, the Batur convertible lunges forward with deliberate authority. The stopwatch can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds, which is faster than most supercars, costing half the cost. The sensation, however, is what makes it stand out, a steady but smooth surge, without the sudden kick that is common in high-strung performance cars. In the drive modes of sport and especially Bentley Dynamic, while the steering becomes more firm, the engine's note deepens to a cathedral resonance, conveying the texture of the road with tactile precision. Braking is one thing, 3-second barrier, it's another to do so wrapped in such serene composure. Analysis of buyer age range. The most vocal supporters of this convertible idea are discerning individuals between the ages of 35 and 60. Those who have climbed beyond mere status symbols to appreciate automotive artistry. Its technical brilliance will be admired by younger entrepreneurs and performance purists, while seasoned collectors already familiar with Continental GT Roadsters will covet its exclusivity and inventiveness conceptually. Because Bentley's craftsmanship speaks a universal language, the Batur Convertible is also popular with cultural tastemakers and creative professionals who are looking for a vehicle that can serve as a moving canvas for self-expression, rather than just a mode of transport. Comparison with other vehicles and competitors, the Batur Convertible sets itself apart from AMG's most expensive roadsters by exuding a more fuel consumption that lags behind hybridized rivals. Ownership logistics may be complicated by limited production, high costs for insurance and maintenance, because of exotic parts cost too much for most collectors to afford. Evaluation of the cost of buying a car from a collector's standpoint, the Batur Convertible's off-series status could augment. Thanks for watching Carca 101 channel.